Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to prepare a door for a low poly house with Blender so that it can rotate to open it. After that I import it into Unity. Here in Blender I separated the door from the house model so that it is a standalone object. You can move it now to the inside, but the problem is that the pivot point is at the center, and when I rotate it, it looks like this. Okay, so let's change this. Here's the trick. First I go to edit mode and select this face here. After that I press the space bar to find snap cursor to active. Then I go back to object mode and press Ctrl, Alt, Shift and C to set the origin, which is the pivot point, to 3D cursor. And now I can press R and then Z to constrain the rotation to the Z axis and rotate the door like this. Okay, great. Now I will export this model to Unity as FBX, choose File, Export FBX, Selected Objects Only, and then check Experimental, Apply Transform. With these settings I find the project directory of my low poly game kit and export the model as House 1 Interior FBX. In Unity I select the imported model and assign the low poly material to it. That is already added to the project because all the models share the same material. And now I can drag the house into the scene and find the door in the hierarchy. And as you can see, the pivot point is correct. I can rotate the door around the Z axis to open and close it. In the next part we will add a script so that the player will be able to interact with the door to open and close it, and I will add this functionality to the house as prefab. Alright guys, that's it again. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. Please think about being my patron and support the development of my game assets and tutorials. That would be just great. Thanks for watching this, thanks for your support, and I'll see you on JNM.